How to fix a Forerunner 265 that is not responding or frozen. Welcome to another Garmin Forerunner 265 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Forerunner 265 if it's frozen or not responding and you just want to be able to restart it. So if you're hitting the buttons and nothing's happening, or even if the display isn't on at all, or if you can't even get it to turn on, in this video, I'll show you how to easily fix that. So if your Forerunner 265 is frozen, not responding, and you want to get it out of that phase, all you need to do is hold down the light button for 15 seconds and keep holding it. If you feel Garmin assistance vibrate right here when it turns on assistance for where it says release for assistance, do not release it until the screen turns off completely right there. Now you can release the light button and you have now turned off your Forerunner 265. All you need to do to turn it back on is simply hold the light button just for maybe 3 or 4 seconds. You'll see the Garmin emblem come up right there. Now, if that is not happening, put it on the charger for maybe 30 minutes to an hour, and then try holding it on and getting it to turn on again. If it's still not turning on, hold down the light button for another 15 seconds, and then try to turn it on and see if that works for you. All right, so that's how you fix a frozen Forerunner 265 that is not responding or not turning on. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Forerunner 265 tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like, and also please consider subscribing to my channel, Smartwatch Tutorials, because that really helps me out. Thank you so much for watching.